Welcome to the channel everyone. Today we will learn about for loops.
You see, how we repeated the same statement again and again. This is exactly what for loops are used for. So without wasting time, let's get started. For loops are used to repeat a piece of code multiple times. Let's consider an example where we want to instantiate a game object 5 times. Now, you could just write a piece of code to instantiate a game object and duplicate it 5 times. But that can become very cumbersome if you want to repeat for hundreds or thousands of times.
Instead, we could simply use the for loop to repeat the piece of code 5 times.
Now, let's take a look at the syntax of for loop. In the for loop, we have 3 statements. The first statement executes before the starting of the loop. Here we are setting the variable I value to 0. The next statement defines the condition for the loop to keep running. Here we are setting the condition as I value should be less than 5. In the third and last statement, we write the command that needs to be executed after each loop. Here we are increasing the I value by 1 every time the loop is executed. And that's it. We can now instantiate 5 objects in Unity using for loops. Now, we can do even much cooler stuff using the for loops in Unity. Let's try to add wait time before instantiating next object. Now this code, instantiate game object after 1 second interval. Start coroutine triggers the spawn method during the start of game. Within the spawnCubes method, the yield return method adds a wait time of 1 second before executing next statement. And the instantiate method on next line instantiates the game object. Alright, now we need to add a for loop to instantiate 5 game objects. So let's write for, and then hit tab. This will just auto-complete the boilerplate code for us. Now we can just update the max value to represent the number of times we want to run the for loop. And for us, it will be 5. Now within the loop, let's just move the code which can instantiate a game object. Now, let's save and see the result in Unity Editor.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified in future. Happy weekend and see you soon in our next video on using arrays in Unity.